This short video demonstration will help you retune a buzzbait. You've caught the bass of your dreams, released the fish, and this is what your buzzbait looks like now. Almost destroyed. Not really destroyed, but this buzzbait will not run in this condition. This is a standard 1/4 ounce buzzbait with a delta blade and .40 stainless steel shafts. First thing I'm going to do is align this arm with the hook. If we look down there, we can see that it's not even close. Okay. Bend it over. Still not straight. Now you can look down that, right down that hook point up on the front arm, and you should see it. It's in a straight line. We can turn it over this way and see that it is a little bit off to the side. Twist that. Very critical that you spend the time to do this. Okay. Next, I like to have the upper arm parallel with the bottom arm. We simply press this down, press forward a little bit. Not quite yet. This arm is just about parallel with the other arm. The final step is turning the buzzbait over, and as we can see, the upper arm is bent to one side of the lower arm. This will cause the buzzbait to run off center and lay on its side in some cases. We bent that over, and that looks pretty straight. This arm and the upper blade arm. Next, we want to make sure the blade spins freely. We can see our parallel arms are not quite parallel. We'll bend them down again. Okay, this buzzbait will now run straight. It's very important on a 1/4 ounce aluminum delta blade for the bait to emit a constant bubble trail. Believe it or not, it will make a difference in your strikes. I hope this video helps you out with your buzzbait tuning.